In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best chainsaws available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the chainsaws list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the chainsaws mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Tungfull December 16-inch Corded Chainsaw. The Tungfull December 16-inch Corded Chainsaw is a powerful brushless electric saw designed for household wood felling and cutting. Running on a reliable 220V AC power source, it delivers consistent performance without the need for battery charging. Its durable chain and ergonomic design make it ideal for cutting firewood, trimming branches, and light to medium-duty tree work. The brushless motor ensures longer life and quieter operation, while the compact build makes it easy to handle for home users seeking efficiency and comfort. Number 4. 72 cubic centimeters Gasoline Chainsaw 24-inch. This 72 cubic centimeters gasoline-powered chainsaw is built for serious cutting tasks, featuring a robust 24-inch guide bar and a high-performance 2-stroke engine producing 3.9 kW of power. Perfect for farm, forestry, and heavy-duty wood cutting, it offers a large 770 ml fuel tank for extended operation. The air-cooled engine ensures durability, while the manganese steel chain delivers precision and strength. Whether you're felling large trees or cutting thick logs, this chainsaw provides the power and control professionals and serious DIYers demand. Number 3. Gisam 8-inch Brushless Pruning Saw. The Gisam 8-inch brushless electric pruning saw is a lightweight, battery-powered chainsaw compatible with Makita 18V batteries. Designed for easy maneuverability, it's perfect for pruning trees, trimming branches, and cutting smaller logs. The brushless motor offers improved efficiency, reduced maintenance, and longer lifespan. Its ergonomic handle and compact build make it suitable for one-handed use, ensuring comfort during extended work. A great choice for gardeners, landscapers, and homeowners looking for cordless convenience with reliable cutting power. Number 2. Electric Goddess 12-inch Brushless Chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 12-inch brushless chainsaw offers strong cutting performance with a 7,000 RPM motor, ideal for yard work and DIY projects. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it provides the freedom of cordless operation. The brushless motor delivers longer run time, reduced noise, and improved durability. Perfect for trimming trees, cutting firewood, and general home maintenance, its lightweight design ensures easy handling. Built for efficiency, this chainsaw is an excellent option for those seeking portability without sacrificing cutting power. Number 1. SeeSii 8-inch Cordless Mini Chainsaw. The SeeSii 8-inch Cordless Mini Chainsaw is a compact, versatile cutting tool perfect for garden pruning, small log cutting, and branch trimming. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it delivers cordless convenience and portability. The lightweight design, at just 2.5 to 3.8 kilograms, ensures easy operation even for beginners. CE certified for safety, it features an ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Ideal for homeowners, campers, and gardeners, this chainsaw combines power, efficiency, and ease of use in one handy package.